Little International Livestock is a competition that we do during our animal science class. In our class, we just call it Little I.
I love how Little I hands a student an animal that they've never dealt with before and says good luck. And then it's a major learning experience because not everyone has that kind of experience.
I am from the suburbs of Chicago. It's a little town called Skokie. So coming here is a huge, huge change. I would say having the chance to work here and just be able to work with the livestock directly has been awesome because coming from the city, literally had no clue what I was doing.
All the horses have different personalities, so when I met with the students before Little I even started, I had private conversations with them to try and figure out who they are and who they'd match well with, because a lot of horses honestly don't like certain personalities, so I was trying to figure out who would work best because we want everyone to have a positive experience.
My horse during Little I was UC Crimson Cash, but we just call him Cash in the barn. Just being able to work with him specifically was one of the best things that could have happened. Because I hadn't had the experience with horses before, working with him I think helped because he already knew what he was doing. It was just me learning specifically how to interact with him. I think the fact that I was able to be introduced to the animals at UConn so early, I am so excited for the next year, upcoming years. I feel like this is definitely the major that I was meant to be in.